Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to draw curved line arrow in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to draw a curved line arrow. At first, go to the home menu. Select the new slide option, then create a blank slide. Then go to the insert menu and select the shapes drop down menu. Then we can see here many shape. Now we want to make a curved line arrow. Select the curved line, then select the line, and we can see we make a curved line. You can make this line curved and increase the size. You can change the color. Select the shape format menu and change the outline color. Otherwise you can increase the white. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.